Hi everyone. I wanted to do a quick video on magnetism, specifically about mechanical watches and the effect that magnetism can have on them and how you go about demagnetizing them. So I've got a small collection of watches. They're all mechanical self-winders like this one. And nowadays, if you leave that close to any electrical gadget, laptops, computers, TVs, all those kind of things, can slowly over time magnetize the watch mechanism. And given there are many parts in a mechanical watch, that can have an adverse effect. So it can either slow it down, it can speed it up, and in some cases even stop it. Now you can take this to a watch shop and they'll demagnetize it for you, but given I've got a few of these things, I thought I might buy myself a demagnetizer, which is this thing. So I got this cheaply off eBay. I think it was about £10, and essentially what this does is it disrupts the magnetic fields and ultimately gets rid of the magnetization of the watch. So very simple to do. Can save yourself quite a lot of money if you've got a collection of mechanical watches and do this yourself. So essentially take the watch, put it on the pad on the top of the demagnetizer, sort of centrally like that. Then essentially you hit the button and you would hold that for about 10 seconds. And then after 10 seconds, just lift that slowly and away from the watch, like so. And if successful, that's demagnetized your watch, and hopefully it will start running again as normal. Hope you like that video. If you do, please consider subscribing and even hitting that notification bell. It really helps me out, and it's free. Anyway, see you soon and in the next video. Take care.